Hey West Coast Picks, this is my Sub-Zero Lockpick Challenge. I live in Bonnyville, Alberta, so it's actually really cold here still, so I just had it outside. As you can see, the snow on it.
Oops. Pretty big. So here are all the 5 pins.
There you go.
Yeah, and we're threading in
If you
all
can see it,
5
frozen.
pins.
And I'm going to try and pick it, because I'm not very good at picking, but this is the only one I've been practicing on.
1 is serrated. Actually, 3 deep serrations. 2 is again serrated. 3 is serrated. And still not serration.
Alright.
Very, very nicely serrated. Keeping in number 4.
Like I said, I'm not very good at picking. I'm more like taking locks apart, but definitely going to give this a try. I can feel it through the gloves. It's actually really cold.
Yeah. Okay, and as I said, we have threading in all the 5 chambers here.
Yeah, here
To pull out the shim.
I actually had just got a foot of snow overnight, so that was our welcome to spring.
So, oh, in one we have an upside down keeping with serrations and
Started picking locks probably
and we have serrated spool.
around
I wish
6-7 months ago, but not very good at it yet. But this one I've been practicing on for the I've been practicing on it all night, so I think I got a chance on it anyways.
Ooh, that's a cool pin in number 5. You will be amazed when you see it in close-up view.
And it's full of security pins, so I'll get some points for that anyway.
For the sake of completeness, let's have a look at the chambers.
If I can get it open, I guess.
Are all smooth.
I have a hard enough time doing it when it's not cold and with no gloves
All
on.
smooth. So now let's have a closer look to the pins.
But just gonna keep trying and trying and trying here.
Here's the amazing pin work from the brass. We've already looked at the key pins, and again, this is my favorite. Very nice. That's also not bad with these many serrations. Really cool.
Anyways, I'm not much for making videos, but I really like that lock you have up for challenge winners, so I figured I'd have to give it a try.
Here in number 3, and that's probably the one that needed the extra touch just before it opened. We have
Figured I'd have to give it a try.
serrated spool with a serration in the middle part.
I think I've
That's really
gotten
funny. And we have
2
an
pins picked
amazing,
already.
cool looking pin here in number 5. This and
But
that
this is
are
really
my
hard.
favorites. So multiple serrations.
This is hard.
Different.
I'm actually watching a
It's actually almost like a spool pin.
Potty 314 video right now.
It's really, really nice. So, Dan Brass, great work. Really fun to pick and amazing looking key pin. Amazing looking key. Yeah, so that's it. Red Cat Imaging, thank you very much for sending this lock to me. Dan Brass, thank you very much for making it and everybody else. Thanks for watching and happy picking. Cheers and bye-bye.
Oh, you know what? I actually forgot to show you that it works with the key, so I better do that first. And the bidding. The bidding I figured was pretty crazy. So it works. This will be a long video, man.
Doesn't work, but it's reassembled.
Oh, alright. But I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
must have done something wrong with the reassembly. And I've done one shot before, which was not too successful, so I know the pins that are inside.
I don't know what else to tell you, man.
That's also not so successful.
Come on, pin 3.
Welcome to my contribution to steel pinning's Trilocatons event.
Pin 4.
Lock, gutting and reassembling it. Here is my lock, a Yale 6-pin Eurosol. That's the pinning. I got it from Apache Locksport. John, thank you very much for this lock. I cannot show you a timer at the same time because of my camera configuration, but I think it's easy to track this time on video later.
I'm trying to be quiet at the same time too because my kid's sleeping. There you go. Right on. Oh.
Crunchy clips.
Whatever that was, 6 minutes. That's alright. I'll take it. Okay. I don't know if you could see the bidding there when I was holding it before, but quite a bit of up and downs. Okay, right on.
See? Device out of the way.
I have to do more. I should have been doing more talking with you, man. I love your videos. I watch them almost every day. And I've sent you a few messages here and there.
Insert the key. Turn it like so.
Hope you're enjoying the new place. I watched you through that too. You sounded pretty worried, but then happy at the same time.
Standard.
Follower.
Standard. All standards. So now the drivers.
I'm happy I got that picked. I didn't think I was going to be able to.
Standard in 1.
Didn't think I'd be able to.
Standard in
Pretty pumped.
spool in 3. Spool in 4. 5 is a spool. 6 is a spool. I think I have to get out the springs as well. Here's one. Here's another. All the same.
So we got.
Show you the pins. Here they are. So now reassemble the lock. I start with 1, 2, 3.
We got serrated in 1, serrated keep in, serrated in 2,
On the lock, then on the
serrated in 3,
that was 3. So now
serrated in 4,
insert 2.
serrated in 5, and serrated in 6. And I got lucky because actually the spool
Okay, then
came out with
on
the
to
6th one there.
Other half.
Must have been pushing pretty hard.
Here we
I
have
got
4.
serrated in 1, a spool in 2,
Then
spool in
5,
3,
and
spool in
finally
4,
6. So
spool in
the
5,
drivers are in. And now let's
and that spool in 6. It's a small spool
this one.
because I obviously added that one
Keep it
before because it doesn't come pinned with the 6. It's a small spool.
Maybe there is some counter
So
milling.
here's the bidding. So let's see.
Shadows in the lock. Maybe we'll have a look at this maybe later on when there is more time.
Anyways, man, thanks a lot. I'm glad I got her picked. We did the whole video in 9.5 minutes. So, right on. Thanks.